For most of human history, we had three major problems: famine, plague, and war. Then, somehow, humans looked at these problems and said, "Okay, we've dealt with those. What's next?" Apparently, the answer was, let's become gods. This is one of the fascinating ideas explored by Yuval Noah Harari in his book, Homo Deus, A Brief History of Tomorrow. And no, this doesn't mean humans are about to grow wings, throw lightning from their hands, and start charging people for miracles. It means something much more interesting. Humans are beginning to develop technologies that could give us abilities once considered almost divine, controlling biology, creating artificial intelligence, extending life, and potentially redesigning ourselves. For thousands of years, humans dreamed about escaping death. Today, we don't just pray for immortality, we're studying aging. Scientists are investigating why our cells deteriorate, how DNA gets damaged, and how biological systems might be repaired. Imagine going to the doctor in the future and hearing, "Good news, your cholesterol is fine, your blood pressure is fine, and congratulations, your subscription to mortality has been canceled." Sounds amazing, but there's a problem. If humans become extremely good at extending life, who gets access to it? Imagine two people. One can afford an advanced biological treatment that keeps their body functioning for another 100 years, the other can't. Suddenly, inequality isn't just about who has a bigger house or a better car, it's about who gets more years of life. And that could create a completely new kind of social divide. But perhaps the bigger revolution isn't about extending the body. It's about understanding the brain. Your brain feels like the most private place in the universe. Your thoughts, your emotions, your fears, your embarrassing memories from 2014 that your brain has apparently decided must be preserved forever. But what if technology becomes good enough to understand the patterns behind them? Today, algorithms already learn from what we watch, click, search for, and buy. Sometimes, YouTube recommends a video you were literally thinking about watching. You think you're choosing the video. The algorithm thinks it recommended it, and both of you go home feeling like the winner. Harari raises an even bigger possibility. What happens when algorithms understand us better than we understand ourselves? Imagine an AI that knows your personality, your biological signals, your past behavior, and even subtle changes in your brain activity. It might know that you're about to order pizza before you consciously decide you're hungry. At that point, the question becomes uncomfortable. Are you making the decision, or is the algorithm simply helping you arrive at the decision it predicted? And this brings us to one of the strangest ideas in Homo Deus: dataism. In simple terms, dataism is the idea that information and the flow of data become increasingly important for understanding and organizing the world. Think about what happens today. Your smartwatch collects data about your heart. Your phone knows where you go. Your search history knows what you're curious about. Your streaming service knows what kind of movies you pretend to enjoy before falling asleep halfway through. And your shopping history? Let's not discuss that. Now imagine connecting all of this information. Your body becomes a data-generating machine. Your brain becomes a data-generating machine. Your behavior becomes data. Even your heartbeat becomes data. And the more data technology can process, the more decisions could potentially be handed over to algorithms. Which raises another enormous question. What happens to humans when intelligence no longer requires consciousness? For most of history, intelligence and consciousness came together. You wanted to solve a problem, you had to think. You wanted to recognize a face, you needed a brain. But computers can already perform certain tasks without experiencing anything. An AI can analyze enormous amounts of information without feeling happiness, sadness, boredom, or the crushing disappointment of getting only 3 likes on your post. It doesn't need to feel intelligent, it just needs to perform intelligently. And if machines eventually become better than humans at more and more cognitive tasks, we could face a strange future. Humans might still be conscious, but no longer necessary for many important decisions. Imagine a job interview where the AI says, "Thank you for applying." Unfortunately, our algorithm has determined that another algorithm is better suited for the position. You ask, which algorithm? It says, the one that rejected you. Wonderful. But here's the deeper issue. If machines become incredibly powerful, the biggest question may not be whether technology becomes intelligent. The question may be, what do we want that intelligence to do? Because technology doesn't automatically know what humans should value. More data doesn't automatically create more wisdom, and becoming more powerful doesn't automatically make us better people. Humanity may eventually gain the ability to redesign bodies, create intelligent machines, manipulate genes, and dramatically extend life. We may become extraordinarily powerful, but that creates a strange paradox. The closer humans get to becoming gods, the more important it becomes to answer a very human question. What should we do with all that power? Because the future may not be a battle between humans and machines. It may be something much stranger. Humans and machines could become increasingly connected. And perhaps the biggest transformation won't be that machines become more human. It will be that humans become less like the humans we are today. So maybe the real question of the future isn't, will technology change humanity? It already has. The real question is, when we finally get the power to redesign ourselves, who will we choose to become?